Are you struggling to write ebooks, create audiobooks, or build digital products that actually sell? What if I told you that you could create professional books, audiobooks, and interactive talking books in minutes without writing a single word or recording your voice? Today, I am sharing my honest review of BookFlow AI VIP, a powerful AI tool that is changing the way people create and sell books online. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will also tell you who this tool is best for and whether it is really worth your money. Welcome back to the channel. If you love honest reviews, AI tools, and ways to make money online, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. What is BookFlow AI VIP? BookFlow AI VIP is an AI-powered book creation software that helps you instantly generate eBooks, audiobooks, interactive talking books, flipbooks with voice narration. All you need to do is enter a topic or keyword, and the AI does everything: writing, images, voice narration, and formatting. The VIP version unlocks premium features like commercial rights, unlimited book creation, branding removal, and advanced AI voices, making it perfect for selling your books or offering services. How does BookFlow AI VIP work? Let me break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Enter a topic or keyword, for example, fitness, marketing, kids' stories, or self-help. Step 2. AI generates the content. The software automatically writes chapters, headlines, and structured content. Step 3. Add AI voices and images. Choose from premium human-like voices and auto-generated visuals. Step 4. Export and publish. Download as an ebook, audiobook, or interactive flipbook if you are ready to sell. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes. Why BookFlow AI VIP is different? What really makes BookFlow AI VIP stand out is freedom and simplicity. You do not need writing skills, design experience, expensive freelancers, recording equipment. Now with the VIP version, you get unlimited book creation, no watermarks, full commercial license, multilingual support. That means you can sell your books, offer client services, or build passive income streams, and keep 100% of the profits. Niche pros. Who should use BookFlow AI VIP? This tool is perfect for affiliate marketers, content creators, coaches and consultants, teachers and educators, freelancers, beginners with zero experience. If you want to create digital products or grow your online brand, this software makes it easy. Is BookFlow AI VIP worth the price? Let us be honest. Hiring. A writer can cost $300. A designer can cost $200. A voice artist can cost $500. BookFlow AI VIP replaces all of that with a one-time payment. For me, that alone makes it worth it, especially if you plan to create or sell multiple books. Plus, there is usually a money-back guarantee, so it is a low-risk investment. Sterils, my honest rating. I give BookFlow AI VIP a solid 9 out of 10. It is fast, beginner-friendly, and packed with features, especially for anyone serious about AI content creation or online income. Final thoughts and call to action. So if you want to create ebooks and audiobooks fast, build authority in any niche, sell digital products without stress, use AI to save time and money, then BookFlow AI VIP is definitely worth checking out. Click the link in the description below to get instant access to BookFlow AI VIP. Bonus reminder: discounts and bonuses may expire anytime. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment AI below. I wait. See you in the next video.